In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NBA app on Windows. Although there isn't an official NBA app for Windows, you can still enjoy a variety of NBA services through your web browser. This is a great way to access live games, highlights, and manage your account right from your PC. By using NBA.com, you'll have a hub of information at your fingertips, which is perfect for any basketball fan. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a web browser. You can choose from popular options like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Opening a web browser is your gateway to the internet. It allows you to navigate through various websites, including NBA.com. If you're not sure which browser to use, stick with one you're comfortable with, as they all provide a similar experience for accessing NBA content. Now type in the address bar and go to NBA.com. This step is essential as it directs you to the official NBA website. Once you are on the site, you'll be greeted with a vibrant layout showcasing the latest news, scores, and highlights. This is where all the action happens. Make sure to check the site regularly for updates on your favorite teams and players. Next, look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. This is an important step. Signing in allows you to access personalized features and manage your NBA account. If you already have an NBA ID, entering your details here will give you full access to your subscriptions and preferences. Remember, having an account ensures you stay updated on everything NBA related tailored just for you. If you don't have an NBA ID yet, don't worry. You can create an account by following the prompts on the same page. This process is straightforward. You will need to provide basic information like your email address and create a password. Having an account gives you access to exclusive content and features, enhancing your overall experience. Once you set this up, you will be able to follow your favorite teams closely. After signing in, you can start to browse the site. This is where the fun begins. You will see options for watching live and on-demand games with NBA League Pass if you have a subscription. This feature is fantastic for catching up on games you missed or watching live matches as they happen. It keeps you connected to the NBA world, no matter where you are. In addition to watching games, you can also view scores, schedules, standings, and highlights. This information is vital for any fan wanting to stay updated on their team's performance. It allows you to keep track of game times and results, making it easy to plan your viewing around your favorite matchups. You won't miss a moment of the action when you have access to this wealth of information. Finally, managing your NBA account and subscription is crucial. This part allows you to make changes to your subscription, update your email, or check your payment details. Keeping your account up to date ensures a seamless experience when accessing NBA content. You can always return to this section to make adjustments as needed to fit your viewing preferences. Note that the NBA mobile app is available only for mobile devices and certain streaming platforms. On Windows, the official way to access NBA content is through NBA.com in your web browser. Some features like offline game downloads are not available on the web. However, by following these steps, you can fully enjoy everything the NBA offers right from your PC. Thank you for watching and enjoy the game.